I welcome you all to the next session of marketing. This is the last session I have, as I have said you in the previous session only. In this session, as I have completed with the syllabus of your marketing and salesmanship, I hope that all have submitted their assignments. There are few still who are remaining to submit their assignments. My dear students, please submit your assignments so that you can get your internal marking for that. As you all know, we have 4 chapters. That is, first one is introduction to marketing and salesmanship. Second one is market segment and marketing mix. Third one is product mix and price mix. Fourth one is place mix and promotion mix. Firstly, I'll give you important questions for first chapter, that is introduction to marketing and salesmanship. Then once I have completed with the long answers for the importance one, then I will be sharing you the link what is been forwarded by the university for your MCQs type question. If exam is for MCQs type, you can study through that link. You will get all the subjects, all the subject as well as all your chapters MCQs. Prepare that MCQs for your exam, and that's it. So first, large answers. The expected answer from the first chapter is: describe briefly the classification of market. Describe, just get the note for that. Describe briefly the classification of market. Second question of first chapter, importance: what is marketing? Describe briefly the functions of marketing. Third, state the classification of market. As I have said you, first also explain in brief the market. In the other question form, they have asked you state the classification of market, or they can ask you explain various types of market. Clear to it? The third question here is explain the importance of marketing in modern business world. Explain the importance of marketing in modern business world. Next one is distinguish between marketing and selling. Distinguish between marketing and selling. Next, describe the nature and scope of marketing. Describe the nature and scope of marketing. These are the important questions. First one is explain the classification of market. That can be asked as a type of market or classify the market. Clear to it? Various types of market. The second one is functions of marketing. The third question is explain the importance of marketing in modern business world. Fourth question is distinguish between marketing and selling. Fifth question is explain the nature and scope of marketing. Clear to it? These are 5 important questions which are most important from first chapter. Second important from the second chapter, that is segmentation, price segmentation, market segmentation and marketing mix में से expected question है important one, that is describe various elements of marketing. First question from chapter number 2, describe various elements of marketing. What are various type of market segment? What are various types of market segment and element of marketing mix? Next one, explain the importance and limitation of market segment. 3 questions are there. First one is explain the elements of marketing mix, then various types of market segment, and explain the importance and limitation of market segment. Third chapter, that is product mix and price mix. From that, many questions are there from this. First one is product life cycle. product life cycle, explain the life cycle of a product, or it can be asked at explain product life cycle. Next, explain in detail the various pricing method. Explain in detail the various pricing method. Clear? Then explain what are the various factors affecting pricing decision. Explain what are the various factors affecting pricing decision. First one is product life cycle, pricing method, and pricing decision. Clear to it? Okay. The other important point from this is state pricing objective. Pricing objective. Fourth chapter, that is place mix and promotion mix. Importance for that chapter is what are the factors affecting market promotion mix. First one, what are the factors affecting market promotion mix? Next, what do you mean by advertising and sales promotion? What do you mean by advertising and sales promotion? Next, state various types of marketing channels. Enough. 3 questions are there, important questions. What are the factors affecting market promotion mix? Then, what do you mean by advertising and sales promotion? And various types of marketing channels. These are the most expected answer. This was all important question as per short note as well as long notes, and I will be sharing in the description box the link for your MCQs, which is being forwarded by the board, that is यूनिवर्सिटी ने एक लिंक सेंड किया है. उस लिंक पर अगर आप क्लिक करोगे तो यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्समैनशिप, एंड इन मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्समैनशिप यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर चैप्टर अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेम्स ऑफ द चैप्टर गिवन इन टू योर टेक्स्ट बुक, and then take out the MCQs. Download the PDF. They have uploaded the PDF. Just go chapter wise, download the PDF, and then study the MCQs, expected MCQs, which will be there into your examination. Clear to it? Okay. Thank you all. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. This was the last session as I have completed with the syllabus, plus I have given you the important questions as short notes and long answers. Plus in the description box of this session I will be sending you the link, wherein the link is being given by the university to study MCQs, as there will be an online examination for your this sem. Clear to it? Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home, be safe. Have a good day. Thank you.